to fly through the southern part of the Caribbean. Like all of my birds, Oscar has been hand raised, which is very similar to bottle, get a bushel now and then. Very similar to bottle feeding a little puppy dog from the day they were born. Because of this, as you're going to notice throughout the show, it builds a very strong bond between the bird and the owner. A whole lot of patience, a little bit of training. You can do just about anything you want with them. Are you ready, big boy? Shaq and MJ. Hey! You guys are too happy. I can change that, you know. Okay, you ready, big boy? Hang on tight. You can swing him around by his beak. Not worry about losing a finger. Of course, Oscar, he crosses his feet praying I don't let go. I don't blame him one bit. Put him on his back. This is where he does his exercises. Toss him in the air. He actually laughs. I don't know about you, Robin. That's a lot of trust right there. Swing him by his tail. But Oscar, he's real special. Because he's actually learned to do headstand. He actually learned one more headstand. Kind of reminds me of the Leaning Tower. Doesn't stay up too long. Good boy. Now he's going to take a bow. And you have Oscar. Now every show has to have a star. It's now time for you to meet my star, a Triton cockatoo by the name of Troy from Australia. Okay, now you're going to have to be a little patient. Okay, and wait a little while to see why Troy is the star. But for now, Troy has a very special hello for you. I'll be right back, okay?
Wally, come take pictures. Come take pictures. Come take pictures. Come take pictures. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Got it?